How are you, students? Good morning. Now I am going to start your new exercise. It's exercise 5b, where you have to interchange a biquadratic equation in form of quadratic equation. Okay, how will you? And at first, in your mind, what is biquadratic equation? Okay, so what is biquadratic equation? I am writing here the definition, or I am just speaking, you can listen. An equation of the form px is equal 0, where px is a polynomial in x having degree 4. Okay, means I have taken a question right now. It's the first question of your exercise. We have to reduce it. X to the power 4 plus 5 x square minus 36 is equal 0. And the question is, solve the following equation by reducing them to quadratic equation. Okay, so this is a polynomial equation. This equation is of the form px is equal 0, where px is what? Polynomial in x having degree. What is the highest power of the variable? It's a 4. When the highest power of the variable, or it is what? It's a degree of this polynomial. Degree of the polynomial is 4. Then it is a biquadratic equation. It is biquadratic equation. So we will change. And so tell me, its degree is 4. So how many roots of this equation? It's 4 roots. Okay, the value of the x are 4. You will get a 4 values of x. Okay, so now how will you? First thing, we have to reduce it. We have to reduce this quadratic equation in form of quadratic equation, but your values will be 4. See here. So now I am going to convert it. It's your first question. Let x square is equal by x square is equal y. So tell me, squaring both the sides. Suppose this is equation first. Squaring both the sides, you will get what? You will get x to the power 4 is equal by square. This is equation number A. Here, what is the value of x to the power 4? You will put by square. What is the value of x square? You will put by in your equation number. So now, in equation A, first and second, what is x to the power 4 is what? X to the power 4 is by square plus 5, and x square is what? By minus 36 is equal 0. Clear? It's a quadratic equation. Now you are able to solve it. So how will you solve it? I am again speaking. So what is constant here? It's a 1. 1 will be multiplied by 36. It will give you 36. You will multiply 1 by 36. It is 36. And now you have to take the LCM of 36. Take the LCM. 18, 2 9 are 18, 3 3 are 9, and it's a 3 1 are 3. Now we will write all the things except 1, except 5 plus by minus 36 is equal 0. We, by these factors, we have to make what? 5. So 2 2 are 4, and it's a 3 3 are 9. So 9 minus 4 can be 5. So it's a, you will write 9 minus 4 by minus 36 is equal 0. Now multiply by. So by square plus by into 9, 9 by minus, I am going to open your brackets. Actually minus 4 by minus 36 is equal 0. What is common here? By is common here. So this will give you by plus 9, and here is what? Minus 4 is common. You will get by plus 9 is equal 0. Here you again see that by plus 9 and by plus 9 both are common. So by plus 9 we will take common. What we have? A by minus 4 is equal 0. Okay. So what are the values of by here? So first is by plus 9 is equal 0, or by minus 4 is equal 0. Clear? So by is what? Minus 9, and here by is what? 4. Is it clear? So by is minus 9 and by is 4. So from equation first, what is by? By is x square. So here from equation first, it's x square is equal minus 9, or either x square is equal 4. Is it clear? So what is the value of x? X is plus minus, here you can write under root 4, or you can write plus minus 2. And now what is x? Here is x is under root minus 9. Okay, so in this way you will get your values. So now students, I have other questions. It's the question number 2. It is your homework. You have to solve it at your home. Okay, it is just like question number first, and ready for the third. Third is what? X square plus x to the whole square minus x square plus x minus 2 is equal 0. Okay, so can you tell me, it's also biquadratic equation. Why it is biquadratic equation? Actually, you see here, it is x square plus x to the power 2, means it is in the form of a plus b to the power 2, and a to the whole square, a plus b to the whole square is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square means x to the power 4 plus b square means x square. Here if you solve it roughly, it's x square plus x to the whole square. This will give you what? A square means x to the power 4 plus b square, it's x square plus 2 into a for x square into b for x. You can write here, you can take a is equal x square and b is equal x. So you will get a plus b to the whole square, and apply formula a square plus b square plus 2ab. Directly put the value, you will get same thing. So it is also the highest power of the variable is 4. Okay, so it is also biquadratic equation. Now how will you solve it? So see here, you have to see very carefully here. Can you tell me here, let it's x square plus x, let x square plus x is equal what? 5. It's your work. You have to, at first you will see your question, and in your question you can see here it's square of this whole quantity. Okay, and it is already, here is not a square. So can you suppose it's a by, so this will give you what? By square minus by minus 2. So it will make, you are making a quadratic equation. Okay, so it's a by square minus by minus 2 is equal 0. Okay, so again 1 multiplied by 2, this will give you what? 2, and it's a, here we have what? 1. Okay, so 2 1 are 2 and 1, 2 minus 1 is already 1. So we will get a by square minus 2 minus 1 of by minus 2 is equal 0. So by square minus, actually minus is involved here, so we will multiply it. So 2 by, don't open it, break it, minus by minus 2 is equal 0. Now open it. So by square, now I am opening the bracket, it's a minus 2 by plus by minus 2 is equal 0. So here what is common? By is common, so we will get a by minus 2, and plus 1 is common here, by minus 2 is equal 0. Okay, so by minus 2, here what is common here? So it's a by minus 2, we get a by plus 1 equal 0. Okay, so the values are, so here first value is by minus 2 is equal 0, or by plus 1 equal 0. So we will get a by is equal 2, and here by is equal minus 1. Okay, now see here, put the value of by. By is what? From equation number A, from equation A, by is what? By is x square plus x. X square plus x is equal to, and here x square plus x is equal minus 1. Okay, so this will give you what? X square plus x minus 2 is equal 0, or here x square plus x plus 1 equal 0. Okay, Is it clear? Right now. And it's your work, you have to solve these questions at home. Okay, it's a quadratic equation, it is also a quadratic equation, you have to solve it. Okay, same as